Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple pieces of artwork to one order. So what we'll do is we're going to go into our Dropbox app and we're going to change it to the item that we need. And most of yours, it should already default to the first item. If it doesn't, make sure that you choose the item. And then we're going to go print URL. Let's say you're doing a front and a back. Print URL front. Okay, so I'm going to write that there in the text file, in the text box. Then I'm going to find some artwork, and it doesn't really matter what it is, so I'm just going to go with something that doesn't belong to someone here. All right, well, we'll choose a sock sample. How about that? All right, so now I've got my sock sample. I'm going to upload that. Okay, and now that's done. We can see that print URL front is there. Now I'm going to just do the same thing again, except I'm going to write print URL back. Grab that artwork file here, upload, and we are now done. Print URL front, print URL back. I can do this as many times as I need. One time somebody had 18, quantity 18, and each one was a different name, and he put all 18 this way. So you can do that too. If you don't want to put back and front, you can say Bill, up your print URL Bill, print URL Ted, print URL Macy, print URL Junior, and as many names as you can put in there. All right? Hope that's helpful.